Hello, today I'm going to show you how you can take a lesson on poetry and take it to the next level using your smartboard with IQ. Notebook provides a lot of versatility, but added to your smartboard you are able to utilize various teaching methods to keep students engaged. Let's say your first lesson is on alliteration. You start by writing out what alliteration is and some example words. Next, you go back to your homepage and select the browser. Here you can search for alliteration examples. Once you find an example you want to use, you can mark up the poem and indicate where alliteration shows up. Once you are done, you can select the X and then save it. Now that you've explained what alliteration is and you've shown an example, it is the student's turn. Go back to your whiteboard session, expand the page, and ask a student or two to come up and write out an example. Have them use different colors so you are able to assess their learning. With IQ, you are able to use teaching approaches like whole class and student-led to help keep students engaged on the topic.